Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is beneficial, a B2 level adjective meaning promoting a positive outcome. So when something is beneficial, it helps or improves things. It's advantageous or favorable. Let's break down what that means in everyday language. If something is beneficial, it provides some sort of benefit. Think of it as being helpful or advantageous. For example, getting enough sleep is beneficial for your health. It helps you feel better and perform at your best. Now, let's explore some synonyms for beneficial. A great synonym is advantageous. For instance, having a strong network of contacts can be advantageous in your career. Another useful synonym is helpful. Regular exercise is helpful for maintaining a healthy weight. We can also use the word favorable. The weather conditions were favorable for a successful harvest. And how about propitious? It's a slightly more formal synonym, meaning presenting favorable circumstances. The timing was propitious for launching the new product. Another good one is salutary, meaning producing good effects. Beneficial. The salutary effects of exercise are well documented. Now, let's turn our attention to antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of beneficial. A key antonym is detrimental. Consider this example. Smoking is detrimental to your health. Another antonym is harmful. Exposure to excessive sunlight can be harmful to your skin. We can also use the word disadvantageous. Lacking experience can be disadvantageous when applying for a job. Another possibility is unfavorable. The economic climate was unfavorable for new businesses. And what about deleterious? It suggests something that's actively harmful or damaging. The deleterious effects of pollution are a major concern. Let's see how beneficial can be used in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend about trying a new study technique. You could say, I found that using flashcards is beneficial for memorizing vocabulary. Or perhaps you're discussing the benefits of volunteering. Volunteering can be beneficial not only for the community, but also for your own personal growth. If you're advising someone about their diet, you might say, eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is beneficial for your overall well-being. Here's some more examples in sentences and phrases. A good education is beneficial for securing future opportunities. The new policy will be beneficial to small businesses. Meditation can be beneficial for reducing stress. It is beneficial to learn a new language. The company implemented a beneficial program for employee wellness. The beneficial effects of the treatment were immediately apparent. Investing in renewable energy is beneficial for the environment. It's beneficial to have a diverse range of skills in today's job market. A strong support system is beneficial during challenging times. The beneficial properties of this herb have been known for centuries. Attending workshops can be beneficial for professional development. Reading regularly is beneficial for improving your vocabulary and comprehension. The project had several beneficial outcomes for the community. Early intervention can be beneficial in addressing learning difficulties. A positive attitude is beneficial for overcoming obstacles. Remember, beneficial means promoting a positive outcome. It is related to words like advantageous, helpful, favorable, propitious, and salutary. Its antonyms include detrimental, harmful, disadvantageous, unfavorable, and deleterious. We use beneficial to describe things that are helpful or advantageous, contributing to a positive result. That brings us to the end of today's episode. I hope you found this exploration of the word beneficial useful. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. And as always, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word beneficial and share it as a comment below. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.